Good evening, everybody. This is an update on the dollar and some commodities, and this is brought to you by directionalanalysis.com. We are going to start with the dollar. This is dollar ETF. It's been coiling between these two lines. This is a daily about well, what's this day right here at the and sometime in February. Anyhow, the I believe this is going to break out to the north because usually these symmetrical triangles are a continuation triangles. If you can see, this came from the south and it's been coiling, consolidating, and it's going to break to the north. This is the weekly. Uh, this is an ascending triangle, and it has had one, two, three. Let's just say three attempts to this breakout all-time high. So I believe this is probably going to have enough force to break out to the north. Now this is a huge it's going to be a huge move because of the distance between the breakout line to this ascending line right here. So we move on to the dollar. On dollar, I'm going to use the UUP, which is the double bullish ETF. On this, I'm going to show you this downtrend line right here, and this one right here. This is a falling wedge with bullish divergence on the MACD. If you can see, it's doing higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So the soonest this breaks out, look out, because the bulls are gonna be taking over for the dollar. It may come back down, make a lower lows one more time, but I doubt it. It's all gonna depend on the OIH or the USO, which is the oil. And if we move on to the oil real quick. On this one, we're going to use the OIH. See if we can find it real quick. Here it is. And on oil, even though we had this ascending triangle coming up from the bottom, I don't think it's going to really happen, but still we have already crossed the 5-day and 13-day and almost close under the we did close under the 20-day moving average. We'll just have to see if we have enough follow through. This is the OIH, which is the oil services like Exxon, Mobil, and such. If we look at the USO, somewhat the same pattern, and we do the same uptrend line, and it's right there. We're just gonna have to see what happens tomorrow with the oil and see what the movement is. But if you can see on the indicators and oscillators, they are turning towards the south. MACD stochastic, which in return is gonna make the market overall go down because the S&P especially is heavily weighted on the oils. Alright, well, this is it for now. Hope you enjoyed it. This is directionalanalysis.com. Have a great night, everybody.